Here's how to make the perfect chicken jalfrezi. First, we're going to cook our chicken thigh. We're just going to make our tadka. You fry off your onions. Whilst that's frying up, we're just going to add all of our Alamgir spices. Now you just add half of a tomato, peppers, chopped tomato. Just add your turmeric and your salt. Once that's 75% cooked, a little bit of your chili powder. Once your chicken is cooked, you then add your tadka salan mix. Is that what I should call it? Tadka curry mix. So you then garnish with kasuri methi and some fresh coriander.